Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. This is one of my very first voiceovers and I'm super excited to show y'all this transformation. This is my client and we are doing a reverse balayage. She wants to go darker, so we started by cutting off a couple inches because we just don't need those dead ends anymore. Get rid of them. Okay, so I'm going in with 7-1 by Schwarzkopf. This is the Vibrance line, one of my favorites. And I'm just doing really thick weaves, and I'm doing it mid-shaft, oh my goodness. Yeah, but basically just placing that color on the mid-shaft just to blend in her natural, which is like a level 2, and her ends, which are like a level 8, 9. And she just wants a really good low light, but she still wants her bottoms very bright. She doesn't want the low light going all the way through. So that's what we're doing at the moment. So this is my first time doing this client's hair. You can see that she has pre-existing color. There's a little bit of pink, a lot of warmth undertone, which is going to affect the overall tone. And I already explained this to my client. So she's very well aware that we're just going to blend it to the best of our abilities for this very first session with me, and then see how we like it and go from there. Now that we're reaching the top of her head, I am taking horizontal parting, still with the weave, and then we're still low lighting those pieces, but in between each low light, I'm going to refresh her blonde and pull her root up. So I'm just giving it a little bit of a tease and then only putting that bleach where that dark is and slowly like feathering it out to the top and to the bottom. So on the sides, I'm doing diagonal, and again, I'm still refreshing her blonde. We want a little bit of brightness around her face, but then still going in between each highlight with a low light. Alright guys, so we're just working all the way up to the head. I want to take diagonal sectionings just to make it really bright but really natural. And then we are shampooed and I'm going on to toning in her root melt. This is a 5-1 by Schwarzkopf. I'm putting it all over her root and toning her with a 9,519. This is going to get rid of all that warmth, and brushing it through is going to help melt the two colors. You want a seamless blend. That's why I like to do it wet, because I feel like it helps with the blending so it doesn't leave any blotchiness behind, and you just brush it all the way through. Okay guys, you can just see how amazing that blends. It darkened her roots, it helped blend that out. We used hardly any bleach, maybe a handful of 10 highlights total for the whole entire head. But it just looks amazing. It's nice and seamless. She still has a little bit of warmth in the back, but that's okay. We refreshened her cut, we added some layers, some nice face framing, and now I'm just going on to curling the hair. Alright guys, so you can see how beautiful the color is. This is going to give her a really natural grow out. She won't have to worry about that harsh dark root coming through. It's going to help blend it out very naturally. She's still that blonde that she loves to be, but then we have a little bit of highlights just to give her some dimension in between. She is obsessed with it. I am obsessed with it. It is just so, so, so gorgeous. My artificial lighting does no justice for this color, so here it is in natural lighting. It is so gorgeous. So please follow me on my social media, like and subscribe. My Instagram is champagne_hair_studios.